Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I wish you all happy Independence Day. On this special day, let's remember our past, celebrate our present and dream of a brighter future. Now let's recall the history of Independence Day. As we all know that for our country, many freedom fighters have struggled to get the Independence Day. We have known this from last many years ago. So I will say a brief explanation about the history of our Independence Day. At the stroke of midnight, as India moved into August 15, 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister to read out the famous speech proclaiming India's Independence Day. As we all know that when we got Independence Day on the midnight of August 15, 1947, and this when we got Independence Day, this was proclaimed by our first Prime Minister, that was Jawaharlal Nehru. In this slide, it is says that India was also the end of nearly a century of struggle for freedom, battles, betrayals, and sacrifice. It also created a situation where we were responsible for ourselves. As we know that before Independence Day, many freedom fighters were struggled to get the independence. When we got Independence Day, everything became to end. The example, freedom, betrayals, sacrifice, these all became to end. As I mentioned in this slide is August 15, and the people put their troubles behind them for a while as they stand up as nation for the national anthem. Along with the soaring cadences of the anthem, the hopes and dreams for a better tomorrow are renewed in political speeches and replies of the deeds of those who earned us our freedom. On August 15, every people of India celebrate the Independence Day, and they will do flag hosting, everything in their respective places. When they are doing flag hosting, they will stand up for national anthem and they sing that national anthem, and when they are singing the national anthem, and the hopes and the dreams for better tomorrow are renewed in political speeches, and they also recall our past freedom fighters who are sacrificed for our country to get independence. Here I came to end up the history of Independence Day. At last I will say that each year August 15 gives us the reason to celebrate all this and do much more. It is a time to contemplate what we have and how we achieved it. So at last I will say that on this day every Indian peoples have to remember the freedom fighters who are struggled to get the independence for our India country. Here I mention the prominent leaders of our country. The first one is Mahatma Gandhi ji, who was the father of our nation, and the second one is Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of our country, and he declared the speech of when we got independence. He has declared first speech in our country. And the third one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His tomb is located in Gujarat. When we visit to Gujarat, we can see the tomb of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. As I said in before slide, we should remember the heroes of our country. We should not only celebrate by doing flag hosting and singing the national anthem. We should also remember the heroes of our country who are sacrificed for our country to get independence. Here I mention only the 4 members of our freedom fighter who are participated in many battles to get a freedom for our country. The first one is, as I said before that, first one is Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, and the fourth person is B.R. Ambedkar, who was the chairman of drafting committee. In this slide I also mention the Muslim freedom fighters. There are many Muslim freedom fighters who have struggled for our country. The first one is Muhammad Ali Jauhar, and the second one is Ulana Ahmad Madani, and third one is Hakim Ajmal Khan, and the fourth one is Ubaidullah Sindhi, fifth one is Hazrat Mohani, and the sixth one is Ataullah Shah Bukra. These are the Muslim freedom fighters who have struggled for our country to get a freedom. We should all remember the heroes who are all sacrificed for our country to get a freedom. We should all remember those peoples on this August 15 by saying the history of Independence Day and remembering the heroes. I will conclude my presentation and I will thank behalf of Zikra Theological Academy for giving this auspicious opportunity. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.